Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop system apps from auto updating on Android devices. So in here, I've already on my phone, and if you don't want to system apps to be auto updating on your phone because it might take your battery power, so here's how you can disable that feature. First, you can go to the settings on your phone and then just scroll down until you find the shortcut and accessibility. Just tap on that and find the accessibility options. Scroll down this one, and then you can just scroll down again, or you can just find the downloaded app section, and you can see auto update system apps over Wi-Fi options. So just tap on that. So if you turn it on, it will the system apps will auto update over Wi-Fi, and but updates will not take place when the battery is less than 30%. So if you want to save your battery, you can turn this off by clicking on the circles right here. Now the system apps auto update will be disabled. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.